Look, I'm sorry. There's also one more video in this series, and I can't finish until I do it. Okay, so what we need right now is both equations. We have two options. If the price of helium goes up, we can sell our miners, and the price will go up. So we have miners now for sale. Two, the second thing that could happen is helium could go up and we could keep the miners. So both of the conditions I'm going to show you are going to depend on the helium token. Okay, so if helium goes up, you either can do two things. You can sell your miners that you collected, or what you could do is just use them for mining. You'll have to think of the other one yourself, and I know, but how much do they mine? That's what everybody wants to know. I know, really. Right now, it's about $6 a month or something. But I could do an equation to show you that how it would be. It's still beneficial. All right, so we got one. Well, we already figured out one. It's just H. And the equation for H is just 0.14. Oh, shit. 0.14x. That's the equation. And then the other equation, you're just going to divide it out. And it's going to be, how much are miners supposed to cost? And you're just going to do I'm doing my best here. That's the other equation. So those are your two main equations. And if I can show you, when helium is here, the bobcats are going to go up when this goes up. Does that make sense? No, that's not making sense. Maybe I might have did something. No, that doesn't make sense right now. So X is going to go up when the top gets bigger. Why would the top? The top is not getting bigger. When the bottom gets smaller, then this would go up. So that does not make sense. I think I flipped it. That's a pretty common mistake. Let me see. I'm going to divide out this one. Oh, yeah. I flipped it. Okay. Did you get that? Your miner's going to go up. All right. What happened to the... Damn it. I lost everything that did my job. All right. Sorry. I'm sorry. I did a little boo-boo and I just tried to fix it. Okay, I already knew the answer though. That's what matters. So now we see this equation is going to, when helium goes up, you're going to say 0.14 times the price of your bobcat. Because the 0.14 comes from the ratio of when it was 70, but we can change that and we can do some more equations in another video. But right now, we're just looking at market conditions for buying a miner or a bobcat or whatever kind of miner you want to buy. How much should they cost at what price when helium is at a helium token is at what price? That's what we're concerned about right now. So this is the two ratios you should be thinking about. The helium price and the bobcat price. And these are the two basic fundamental ratios for buying bobcats today. In any day, actually. No, not any day, but today. That's because we're using that ratio, but we could use a different ratio. Like say so helium could be any price, but we're using this little thing to cheat so we could see what the values are.